Hi guys, I'm Lucy and this is English and Tea. Today I will be showing you how I make a pot of tea. First step is to get your teapot and pour in some boiling water from the kettle. Leave the water in for a few minutes and then you'll pour it out. And this is just to warm the pot. As I'm going to be using tea leaves, this will open them up when I put them in. You can use tea bags, of course. So I'm going to put in 2 spoons of tea leaves and then pour in boiling water and let it brew for a few minutes, depending how strong you like your tea. Pour your tea into the cup. Then some milk. And a bit of sugar. Obviously this is up to your own taste, how you like to take your tea. Some people don't take milk or sugar. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoy your tea. And do check out my channel for a recipe for scones, which you can have with your cup of tea.